In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset progress in Duolingo. If you want to start a language from scratch or clear out an old course that's cluttering your learning path, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in the Duolingo app, step by step, with a few helpful tips along the way. First, open the Duolingo app on your phone. Make sure you're on the home screen so everything I mentioned lines up with what you see. Interface details can vary slightly by device, but the key items are in the same places. Next, tap your avatar at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to your profile area, which is where Duolingo keeps account and course controls. If you use multiple profiles on the same device, just confirm you're on the right one before continuing. From your profile, tap the settings gear in the top right. This opens your account settings. Take your time here. There are lots of options, but we're heading to the place that manages all your language courses. Scroll down until you find Manage Courses, then tap it. This page lists every language course associated with your account. It's a good idea to pause and confirm which specific course you want to reset, especially if you study more than one language. Now, choose the course you want to remove. Tap Remove, and when prompted, tap Remove again to confirm. This action deletes the progress for that specific language course from your account so you can start fresh. It won't delete your entire account or affect other languages you're learning, but it does clear all levels, checkpoints, and crowns for that course. Once confirmed, the reset can't be undone, so make sure you've picked the correct one. After removing the course, head back to your home screen. If you see a Continue prompt, tap Continue. Then tap the flag icon at the top left to open your language list, and tap the plus icon to add a course. Use this to add back the same language you just removed so it begins from the very start, just like a brand new learner. When you enter the course again, Duolingo will guide you through the initial placement or early lessons, now with your previous progress cleared. If something looks different on your device, don't worry. Labels like Manage Courses or the location of the flag icon can shift slightly between app versions. Updating the app usually brings everything back in line. And remember, double check the course you removed to avoid wiping the wrong one. That's it. You've reset your Duolingo progress and set yourself up for a clean restart. Happy learning!